Hello everyone, nice to see you again in our channel. In order to adapt the market and also based on our clients' feedback on the last generation SOx printer, we have made some improvements for our new generation SOx printer, CO-80-1200pro. And let's see what exact difference it has. First of all, from the appearance, we can see it's changed a little bit. And we added this device, roller support device. With this device, it can hold this roller temporarily and then replace with a new one, and this roller can be printed immediately without any break. And during this roller is under printing, we can just put out of the SOx from this roller for the next process. So the work can be continuously keep going, and operator just keep doing it, and then that's why the production efficiency improved a lot. Secondly, we also changed the print head. Now the print head is equipped with 2 units of I-1600. It is still Epson brand, and with this print head, it has high resolution. And also, we are now changing the software to the new Stenta. New Stenta software is also one of the most advantages for our third generation SOx printer. This rig software has wider color range to get the image printed on SOx more vivid and more in details. And also, it has super strong calibration options, and easy operation is very friendly for the operators. And now the working mode. We have changed the working mode from the flat scanning printing mode to the spiral printing mode. It means that now it is just one-way printing. So once the roller is set up for the machine and start printing, the roller will start rotating. And once it starts rotating, the carriage will move from this side to the other side. Once this action is done, it means the 2 pieces of the SOx, it's for one pair, it's done. Yes, how much time it costs? It costs only 43 seconds. Don't you think that is amazing? Yes, I think so. And this speed of this printing is around 35 to 48 pairs per hour. Daily output under different circumstances would be like if you have 1 shift per day in 8 to 10 hours, then the daily output like 280 to 480 pairs per day. And if you have 2 shifts in 16 to 20 hours, then the daily output will be double, like 560 and 960. All in all, this third generation SOx printer greatly improved for the production efficiency and also the printing resolution and color fidelity. Take action and try it now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, give us a like and subscribe us for more information. See you next time.